So now we will be continuing this and we'll start loading of multiple data set. So there's different way to do that. The first is to click this add connection and then add text file. And we're using this one, passenger count. Then this is the Clark dataset now. So we can just select all or Control A like that, and then open. So if we do that one or that approach, it will create multiple input nodes as you can see. And so you have here the 2005 dataset, and then you have the airline operator. Then you have here the 2000. I selected again 2005, so naulit siya. We can remove this one. Yeah, so we have 2006, 7, 8, 9, up to 2013. And with this one, we know that the CIAC passenger count dataset is different from the airline operator. So if you click this one, diba, you can observe naman yung attributes. No? So for this dataset, they have this field name. Pero if you click on this one, iba yung attributes niya. So they're not exactly the same. So with this, we cannot perform union. So we cannot do a union. Join yun dapat gamitin natin sa kanya. So I'll remove this one first. When you click this other dataset, you can observe na same sila ng field, ng mga attributes. And with that, based on our lecture, we can actually perform union for this. I-highlight. And move ko lang sa taas para medyo magkakalapit sila. So to do that, you can add here a node and then use union. Ayan. So it will create something like this. And you just need to drag everything dito kay union. Hindi siya kaya. I think one by one siya. So as you drag, medyo nagiging ano na siya, cluttered dun sa part na yon. And just add everything there. Yan, add lang natin lahat. Yan. So again, union allows you to append a data. So ang gagawin lang niya, 2005, then it will add the data of 2006, 2007, and so on and so forth. So you can only do union again if you have exactly the same attributes. No? Kasi ina-add lang niya yung data sa baba, or ina-append lang niya. So dinadagdag lang niya. So with this one, after union, we still have the same steps here. So it with all the updated data here after the union, the following step will still be done accordingly. So pag click natin our output file, then observe natin siya dito. Kasama na yung table name. So Tableau Prep Builder will consider each file as a different table. Ayan. Ayan. So ito lalabas yung table names dito, and the table names represent kung saan sila galing na file. Yan. Instead of loading this one like this, yung parang isa-isa silang input node, another way to do it is to use the multiple files dito. When you click on the input node, lalabas tong lower part na UI, di ba? Then you have here multiple files. So instead of loading it one by one like this, it's better to use multiple files na lang. So why? There are times if you're dealing with a large data set, this approach might make your Tableau prep stuck o maglalag siya in some time. if you're doing this kind of approach. And if you observe the file names, may pattern siya, no? They're all having the same file name and extension. Nag-iba lang yung year kung saan siya ginawa, no? So with this one, since our dataset has a pattern and they're just the same in file name, ang naiba lang is year, we can perform a wildcard, no? Who among you aware sa what is a wildcard? So I'm not sure but I can find the one. Pag if you click on the table, this part ay yung input node. When you click tables, anong makikita nyo? Or yan yung updated? May update kasi siya eh. Kaso hindi ko pa haven't applied the upload. If you click the tables here, anong nakikita niyo? Yung sa part ninyo. Source single union. Sige baka bago na yung term na multiple under source code there's an option of union multiple. Okay. Tapos pag click nyo siya, wait, I think so it will take time pag in-update ko. Okay. File. Kung i-close ko muna to, don't save. Buksan ko ulit. Anong version pala? Can you check the version? Yung version 2020 something that ito ba yung version ninyo? Yung 2022.2.2? Okay. Baka iba nga yung Wait, okay, 60. Ref Windows. Tayo ko nga. Okay, di ko in-expect na may bago. Sige. Sige, while waiting na mag ganyan, para ma-check ko yung UI later, no? Tuloy ko lang to and then 2022.2.1 naman. Sige, check natin. So, wait ko lang to matapos mag-download, tapos i-reinstall natin. Okay. Ayan. So, instead of doing yung kaninang multiple input node, what you can do is click on the multiple files. Siguro kung table sa inyo, you can click on tables and then may single table din doon, di ba? You can use multiple table yun siguro doon. Ayan, check nyo kung ganun yung structure niya. And then meron kayong search in or something like this siguro doon where you can look for location, no? Of all the possible files. Ayan. So, pwede natin search in, pero weird na sa akin, but naging include subfolders. Hindi na nakukuha yung latest. Sige. Click search bar. Then download. I-install natin. I'll close, wait na. Don't save. Yung bago. So, I'll update. I'll pause the recording para hindi sayang. Ayan. So, I think we're using the same version na 2.2, 2.2. And open ko lang yung previous flow. And so, tables nga yung nandito. So, just click on the tables. Hindi na siya multiple files, no? Tables na yung bagong term niya. And then, yung previously ginawa natin maraming node which is okay. Pero if you're dealing with too many files tapos masyadong malaki yung file size, Tableau Prep Builder might be laggy, no? Pag that's the way you import all the data source niyo. So what could to have a better way, we can use that multiple file upload. However, now ang tawag sa kanya is multiple tables na. Ito siya. So click on the union multiple table and it will give you this option. Yung search in, nakikita niyo yung folder kung nasan yung ano ninyo, file. Weird. Ito yung lumalabas sa akin. And you should be seeing that there. No? Okay, I'll just kaya ganun sa akin. Medyo weird yung ano niya. Wait lang. I'll create a new one. Text file 2005 open. Tables, yun. Ayan, ganito dapat makita niyo. Are you seeing this in your UI interface? Ayan, it will show you here yung folder wherein the first imported CSV file is located and search in, tas yung folder na yon. Then you will have this included tables, no? And then after that, if you have subfolders inside that folder, for example, this, diba ito yung ano, if you have subfolders here that also have some CSV file na data wherein you need to import or load in your Tableau, you can select this one, include subfolders. So automatically Tableau Prep will look into the subfolder or subdirectories and load the files na makikita niyo. No? Yan. Since we're just dealing with single, there's no existing subfolder, so we don't need to check on this one naman. The next is we can add filters. No? If you don't add filters, all of the files inside that directory will be selected or loaded. No? Ayan. So, however, what we just need is all the file names that with the CIAC pass CNT, no, or the CIA passenger count lang. With that differs in the last part ng file name, which is the year. So since airline operators has a different attributes, so we cannot load them at the same time. Yeah, so you can, to do that, we will add filter and then by file name, no? Iba na yung UI niya. So by file name siya, then we will create a pattern, no? So by file name, yung filter natin, then we can use matches or doesn't match. So sa atin, it should match, meaning the pattern should be the same, ano? And then we will put the pattern here. So who among you familiar sa wildcard? Random, okay. Okay. Meron tayong tinatawag na wildcard characters that allows us to search. No? This is applicable actually in all machines naman. Yung wildcard are called in some terms regular expression or regex. Ayan. So these wildcard characters allows you especially to search files that matches your parang wildcard. So yung wildcard parang siyang pattern na pwede mong gamitin. So in our example here, all the file names pag inobserve natin siya dito starts with this text itong CIAC PASSCMT, then followed by a year .csv. So ito yung pattern niya. Yan. So if you're applying a wildcard or pattern, we can copy this. Ayan. Copy niya dito. Then remove niyo yung year. Since the year, yung nag-iiba lang yung year dito, iba yung year na nag-iiba, no? So we can put asterisk. So meaning ng asterisk, anything that starts with these characters followed by asterisk. So after nitong characters na to, ano man yung next, ko-consider niya. Ayan. So with this one, you will be able to exclude yung airline operator. Kasi yung CIA or the airline operator doesn't start with this pattern. No? And then yung asterisk will handle the year part. Kasi iba-iba yung years niya dito. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hanggang 13, di ba? So the asterisk will handle the next part of the string or the file name. So anything after this uh, file name will be considered. Ayan. And then we're using matches. So ima-match niya lahat nung may ganito sa first part. Pag doesn't match, of course, ayan, makuha mo lang airline operator. Kasi siya lang hindi nagma-match dun sa pattern. So I'll select matches since yun yung kailangan natin. Then just click apply. Ayan. Have you check? Ayan. Since not working na yung natin, lumang flow. So gagawa ako ulit ng bagong clean step dito. Ayun. So ulitin ko lang yung flow. Ayan. I'll add another clean step. Ito yung ginawa natin last time. No? Since di na siya nag-work dito sa new version, ilalagay ko na remove total. So you can follow me if you're doing it right now. Okay. Sana ito yun. So remove natin yung may mga sana yun. Total. Tama ba? May total. Grand total. Ito. Remove natin. Right click. Okay, buti ito na lang. Remove. And then, yung rows na may total. Domestic, international, Pacific. Itong may total. Nasaan tong si total? Ito. Remove lang din natin. Exclude. Ayan. Then, what we did is to pivot, no? Medyo tayo. Pivot months. Mabilis ang gawa. Ayan. Pivot months, then move natin dito yung mga ipa-pivot natin. So, April, except file paths, file type. Then, August, December, January, February, move. Ayan. And then, let's rename this one 2 months. Or small letter lang if you like. Or month lang. Then, this is the passenger count. Passenger count underscore count. Ayan. So, then what we did last time is to remove yung dash. This one. For some reason, may mga nulls tayo. We can check and observe the null. Okay, these are airlines that doesn't have flight now for a specific. Ayan. We can remove them if we don't need. No? Or you can, kasi this one has a 0, no? Then this one is null. So we can think of if we need to rename it as 0 or just remove them. No? For some reason, I'll remove this one since naman sila, they're not given a 0 value. So maybe they haven't yet started. So yeah, I'll exclude this one. Yeah. Then observing our data set, we have the month, passenger count, flight type, airline operator, and the file paths. Yeah. Do you have any questions sa flow na ginawa natin? So we load the data set. Then we use multiple file using the union multiple tables here, yung bagong ano niya. And then we applied wildcard, no, for us to only extract all the passenger count data set for CSV file. And then with that, we just redo our what we did last time sa ating clean, no? How do you fix the search again? Which the search yung kanina. I did a new Tableau flow actually. Kasi yung ito yung kanina, ito yung gawa natin last time and I did this using the old version. Siguro ano siya and hindi niya nilalabas na dito is the hexadecimal of the location which is I think nagka-bug na siya, no? Ayan. So I just created a new flow na lang to for it to be able to read the proper file path. Uh, so I'm using Windows. Maybe sa Mac hindi naman siya magkaka-problem. So I'm not sure if the same behavior would be also in Mac. No? Pero tingin ko hindi naman. Ayan. Maybe lang may mga updates din kasi si Windows. Di ko pa siya na-apply. Okay. Si Windows 11 kasi I have. Though 10 pa naman ako. So yeah, you can put the output node here again to save the file. And again, pag every clean or everything you do in your Tableau prep builder is not actually reflected on the dataset. So kung may changes kang ginawa dito, hindi affected kung saan galing nung dataset nyo. So if you want to save, you need to have the output node and then you can browse where you want to save this one. Then which kind of file type. So CSV na lang din piliin ko. And then you can also change the file name. Passenger count flow. And run flow. And then it will save this one to CSV. So yeah, yun lang ginawa natin. Nag-update ng Tableau and nag-load ng multiple files. No?